Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. So without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, open your TikTok app, and once you go to TikTok app, simply go to the profile, and once you go to the profile, you can see on the top right corner you can see a three dash line. Tap on that. Once you go tap on that, tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on that, scroll down until you find a section called support and about. Tap on report a problem, and once you tap on that, it's loading. Wait for a moment guys. And once you go to report a problem, you come to this section where you can see feed and playback. Tap on that, and once you do that, scroll down to report and tap on how to report, and simply tap on other. And if you're having a problem, you can simply uh, go and tap on need more help, and here you can see tell us your feedback. Simply type here your problem, like I'm having a problem. I'm having a problem to repost option not showing on my TikTok app, and please solve this issue. If you can type here, you can simply type here your issue, that uh, please fix uh, repost option not showing, please fix it, please fix it. And TikTok gonna see it and solve your problem in 1 2 days or maybe in 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.